I'm so glad you made it. You're here. So these are the 3 steps. We're not going to leave you in suspense. It's 1, focus. What is the issue? Number 2, distract. You're going to re-engage your brain in something else. 3 is go happy. Now, this is not a mere distraction technique. This is actually a 3-step thought process that helps your brain to let go of things. You know how you can let go of things after like a very long time? Okay. Well, this speeds it up and allows you to do it like right now if you so choose. Okay. And so this 3-step thought process you're just going to do, keep repeating until you'll notice that whatever the annoyance was, whatever the irritation, whatever the feeling was, the brain will start to let it go, and then you can move forward. Okay? So as in anything, when you first started out, it may seem a little clunky because your brain's not used to it. Your brain is used to reacting to things a certain way. You react, and it just goes automatic. Okay, so now you're actually training it to do something different. So be patient with your brain. But this doesn't take long. You're going to notice right at the end of this very first session you do on yourself, you're going to see how you've been able to drop it down. And you're going to eventually be able to drop them down really fast all the time. And your brain's not going to have you manually do it. You're going to automatically be able to do it. So let's get started. There's a 5-minute video coming up. And put in the comments what you thought of it, and make sure you subscribe and you are sharing so others can benefit. Let's pay this forward.